Hello, y'all. I got a haul for y'all, or unboxing, whichever. It's a small one. It won't take very long at all. Um, Alright, these I opened already. I've used a couple of them. Some clouds. Look at that. This was $17. I don't remember how many was in there. They are the silicone. Um, put your nail stuff in here and let it, and dry it and pop it out, and then you have your art. Candy cane one. This looks like a leaf type thing. There's a lot of flowers in here. Parts of flowers, the petals and the leaves. Crown. Um, Kind of like shells, I would assume. Um, Wing things. I'd call them wings. Trickly things. I don't know what they're called. Like a border, I guess. These are bows. These are like I don't know. I call them beehives. Some more flowered leaves. Can't really see them. Sorry about the baby, y'all. One's trying to do schoolwork and the other one wants attention. This has got all kinds of stuff in it. It's got little prickly things in it. This has a bow on it, and I'm not sure what it is. Um, More leaves, flowers, another set of different kinds of bows. Um, Small engraved hearts. This has got hearts and oblongs and hectagons and whatever you want to call them. There's some candy, teddy bears, roses, some more different kinds of bows, some more flower petals, some more ringlet things, some, I don't know what you'd call these things. I'll have to do one and see what it is. Another kind of bow. Some more flowers. Lollipops. 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Okay. And butterflies. Some more flowers. More flowers. There's a lot of flowers in here. And this, I guess you could use as a pine cone and put leaves on it. Not a pine cone, a pineapple. Popsicles. And this one right here just killed me. It's the ABCs. So, let's see. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 of them for $17 on Amazon. Yes. So, I couldn't beat it. Alright. And this is my Miniology description box. I have not opened. The subscription box is $25 a month. This is Manmax, Man Max Me 001. The receipt. Alright, let's see what we got. Card. This month's is astronomy, astronomy. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. And this shows you how. Here is your stickers. I am keeping these boxes. Scissors. Her mouth is bothering her. Her teeth are coming. She got more teeth coming in. So that's what's wrong with that. Another pamphlet. It says it's a cuticle oil. See if it has a smell to it. It smells like candy. It's like a fruity candy. Let's see what polishes we got. I keep losing my scissors. She is not a happy camper. Oh. Mint. I opened the wrong end of the box, y'all. Caramel. That is a really pretty color. Oh, let's see what our plates look like. Like bottles, vases. That's what they look like. Like a nature. Oh, this is really cute. Those are like herbs. Peace, love, deal. Oil. Peace, love, oil. My bad. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit the like and subscribe button. Give me a comment and tell me what you think. There is a giveaway going on. It's in the description box below. You may go and enter that. We're getting closer and closer to the drawing date, or the drawing time. I will be drawing when I hit 600. And we're almost there. So, yeah. So, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Love ya.